Good morning kids and welcome back to your math class. As you know, we have completed the first two chapters and today we will learn the third chapter, that is a trip to Bhopal. Bhopal is the place. Okay, it's the name of a place. And in this chapter you are going to study addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So kids, I just go on explaining this chapter and we will solve all the division, subtraction and multiplication, addition and all the sums from the worksheet. So just I will go on explaining you this chapter, and if you have any confusion and doubts you can ask me and make it clear in our live classes. Okay, today Sugandha is very excited. Okay, all the children of her school are going to a trip to Bhopal with her teachers. Sugandha is very excited. Why? Because all the children of her school are going to a trip to Bhopal with their teachers. Miss Meenakshi and Mr. Rakesh are talking about the number of buses needed. Meenakshi and Mr. Rakesh, okay, these are the teachers, those who are discussing about the number of buses required. Okay, Mr. Meenakshi, we will need 4 buses. Meenakshi is telling that we need 4 buses. Mr. Rakesh, I think we need at least 5 buses. He is telling that we need at least 5 buses. Meenakshi, what she says now? Each bus has 50 seats. Okay, she is telling that each of the buses has 50 seats. Mr. Rakesh, let us see how many children are going. Now, in Meenakshi what she told, we need 4 buses. Why? Because in one bus there will be 50 seats. You know, seats in the bus. Buses seats 50 seats have. Who tell this? Meenakshi told this. 50 seats will be there in a bus. Now Mr. Rakesh, what he is telling? We will calculate how many students are going to come. Now class first students, number of children 33, class second 32 children, class third 42 children, class 4th 50 children, class 5th 53 children. So these are the how many all together total they are coming. We will calculate. 3 first, always you will add ones place. 3 plus 0 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10. 0 here 1 will be carried for the next place. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 5 21. 210 students are going to come for the trip. So now here are how many kids? 210 students are going to come. So there are total of 210 children are going. If they get 4 buses, how many children will get seats? Okay, we need 4 buses. One bus can take 50 children. 4 buses takes how many? 15 to 40 watts. The answer is 4 zeros are 0, 4 fives are 20. So only 200 children will get the seat. If they get 4 buses, how many children will get the seat? 200. Why? Because only in one bus there are 50 seats. Will there be any children left without seats? Yes. How many? We can, for just a few children we cannot get another bus. For 10 children can we get the bus? No. So we can share seats. Means we will adjust. Okay. Now The next, waiting for the bus. Sahib jumps out of the line to see if the buses are coming. She shouts loudly. Sahiba shouts loudly, "Hey, I can't see them. Run, grab the window seats." Grab the window seats means catch the window seats. Many children started jumping in the excitement. But what happened? Stop. What is this? These buses are so small. Who is going to tell this? She is telling that these buses are so small. Now there is an argument. We told you to bring the big buses. She is telling that we told you to bring the big buses. We did not have enough big buses, so we got many mini buses. In big buses we can adjust for 50 students, but there were no more big buses, so they have brought the mini buses. Each mini bus can take 35 students. How many mini buses are needed? For example, in one bus, how many seats are available? 35 seats are available in mini buses. But we are 210 students. So how many buses we are going to need? So to this find number of students into number of seats available, we have to multiply. Now kids will find like this. For 35 seats we need 35 students, we need one bus. For 210, how many buses we need? This is the question to find. Now how to find? 210 into 1 divided by 35. You know the 5 ones are table to divide. 5 ones are 5 fours are 20. 1 is remaining. 5 twos are 10. Here 5 ones are 5 sevens are 35. 7 on the 7. Okay. 7 6 are 42. So we need how many buses, kids? 6 buses. We need 6 buses. We need 6 mini buses to make an adjust of 210 students. The journey begins. As the buses starts moving, children sing at the top of their voice, means loudly. Some look outside to enjoy the view of the green fields and the hills. Field and hills, you know. So to enjoy that beauty of the nature, some kids were looking outside the window. Indra, when will we reach Bhopal? At first, come on now, get in fast. It's already 9 o'clock. When they were at the school, they are getting into a bus. That time the time was 9 o'clock. Indra asks, when we will reach Bhopal? Mr. Asha, if we do not stop anywhere, we should reach there in 2 hours. That is around what? Now 9 o'clock it is. After 2 hours, what it will be? 11 o'clock. What will be? 11 o'clock. Manjit, is it very far? Mr. Bhimsen, it is about 70 kilometers. 70 kilometers. You know, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter and 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. This you know. Okay. So the Bhopal is how many kilometers far away from their school? 70 kilometers. Ruby, are we going to stop anywhere? Mr. Rakesh, maybe at Bhimbetka, about 50 kilometers from here. There were at that time from there to 50 kilometers. After the 50 kilometers traveling, they are going to stop. He is telling, if they go to Bhimtek, they will reach there before 10 o'clock, between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, or after the 11 o'clock. If without stopping they used to go at 11 o'clock, but after if they stood in the Bhimbetka, then what the time will be they reach? After the 11 o'clock. Yes, they will reach at after the 11 o'clock. So kids, you understood the story this much. In this you are going to learn the distance measuring kilometer, meter, and time. You will understand how time and number of seats, number of buses. These all kinds of the knowledge you will get in this division, multiplication. So kids, we will meet in our next class. Till that, this story you revise once you read it and understand it. So kids, it's very easy story. Bye, have a nice day, take care.